OneStream. First, social media streaming. Social media live streaming is the act of reaching your audience on channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn in real time. Second, pre-recorded streaming. You can schedule your social media pre-recorded videos for live streaming up to 60 days in advance. Third, real-time streaming. You can stream any content, videos, presentations, interviews, panels, meetups, Q&As, panels, product launches, etc. across different social media. Fourth, cloud integration. The cloud integration of the platforms will help you a lot. You can import videos directly from any of these popular storage platforms: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, iCloud, and Zoom. 5. Multiple uploading option. You can upload the videos or the content from various devices. 6. Team management. With the right team members, you can create an amazing live streaming strategy that improves your company's engagement, drives traffic to your site, and creates an archive of your content. 7. Live streaming. Just choose the location, add a description, and select the date and time of the live stream. Once the stream has ended, the video will be automatically posted to your social media accounts. How OneStream work? Step 1. Choose a video you've stored on your computer or cloud storage. Step 2. Choose a date and time that suits you best. Step 3. Select your destination online, and OneStream will do the rest. Pricing of OneStream is as follows. First, free plan. It includes a price 0 per month, unlimited live streaming, pre-recorded streaming, camera recording 5 minutes, and screen capturing 5 minutes. Second, basic plan. It includes pricing $299 per month, unlimited live streaming, pre-recorded streaming, camera recording 15 minutes, and screen capturing 15 minutes. Third, standard plan. It includes pricing $999 per month, unlimited live streaming, pre-recorded streaming, camera recording 60 minutes, screen recording 60 minutes. Fourth, professional plan. It includes pricing $1,500 per month, unlimited live streaming, pre-recorded streaming, camera recording 8 hours, screen capturing 8 hours. Pros. First, the program is quite easy to use and easy to understand. Second, there are third-party tools which can be used to export from the system, giving some users a helpful solution. Third, support seems to be very responsive, both in terms of responding to requests for help and ideas for new features. Cons. No major con of this platform has been reported yet. Thanks for watching. Please visit our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.